Hi everyone, I'm Mohan. Welcome back to VirtualVisa. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process on how to apply Thailand visa for Indian citizens. Also, I'm going to cover all important aspects, starts from what is the recent immigration update from Thai government, and also when to apply this visa, where to apply this visa, whether it's online, offline, visa on an arrival, and all those things I'll be addressing in this video, including what are all documents required to apply for this visa, what is the visa fee, and some insider tips will make your Thailand trip completely hassle free. So stay tuned till the end, but don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to Virtual Visa and hit that bell icon for instant notification on all our future videos. Do Indians need a Thailand visa? No, not at all. Indian citizen can visit Thailand visa free for up to 90 days as per the new exemption policy introduced by the Royal Thai Embassy. From 1st May 2025 this year, Royal Thai Embassy has introduced a new paperless digital immigration system called TDAC, Thailand Digital Arrival Card. All non-Thai nationals visiting Thailand, either by air, land, or sea, must complete this form online before arrival. Through this card, Indian citizens can visit Thailand visa free for up to 90 days. In case if you're staying more than 90 days, I would suggest you to take a proper sticker visa with a multiple entry option through Royal Thai Embassy. This new digital system makes immigration process easier, faster, paperless, and secure. There is no more paper forms. Earlier, they used to provide a traditional paper form like this TM6 in your aircraft itself to fill. You would have filled that form and submitted on the immigration desk after entering Thailand. But that process has been completely replaced by this new TDAC. You should complete the TDAC registration process through their online portal within 3 days or 72 hours before arrival. You can't apply 1 week or 1 month in advance like you used to do for the regular sticker visa. So where to apply this TDAC? There are a lot of scam unofficial websites available online for this TDAC registration. But this link, tdac.immigration.go.th, is an official link from Thailand Immigration Department. Please use only this link. There are other numerous websites. They copy the same link with the different domains like this. Please be aware. Don't fall for this. Don't click any of the website. You will get scammed with an exorbitant price for this online process. But TDAC is completely free. It's a free service from the Thai government. These are the list of documents required for the TDAC process. Passport with 6 months validity, return flight tickets, and hotel accommodation details. Now I'll take you through the step-by-step process on how to apply this TDAC online.
Go to Google and type tdac.immigration.go.th. I'll give this link in the description below. Once you log into the website, you will get two different options: arrival card, update arrival card. Since we are applying for the first time, click on arrival card. In this page, you're going to enter three different information: personal information, trip and accommodation information, and health declaration. Let's start with personal information. The two, all these details you have to enter as per your passport. I'm going to give some dummy details here: family name, first name, passport number, and nationality, and the personal information. Date of birth. I'm going to give some dummy date of birth here. And your occupation. It's manually you have to type your occupation here. If it's a student, self-employed, salaried, please type it over here. And gender. Here visa number. This is not mandatory for first time users. In case if you have a long-term visa and you're entering second or third time, you have to enter the existing visa number here. And the country, territory of residence. You can choose the city, state. I'm going to choose Karnataka. And your mobile number. After entering mobile number, click continue. In the next section, you're going to enter all trip related informations. Start with arrival information, date of arrival. As I mentioned earlier, you can apply this TDAC 3 days prior to your arrival. For example, if your travel date is 24, you can apply this TDAC application only on 21st. So I'm going to choose 24th as a date of arrival and the country where you're going to board. Then purpose of travel, holiday, mode of travel, for me air, mode of transport, you can choose commercial flight and the flight number. You'll get all these details from your flight ticket. In case if you have return ticket, please don't forget to enter this departure information as well. Date of departure, mode of travel, mode of transport, and flight number. Next one is accommodation information. If you are a transit passenger, this is not mandatory for you. For a regular visitor, you have to enter all these details. Type of accommodation you can choose from this list. They have multiple options. I'm going to choose hotel. And province is nothing but city. I'm going to land directly in Bangkok. So I'm going to choose Bangkok. Next one is district, sub-district. To find these details, you can directly go to Google, type your hotel name. You will get the complete address. From there, you can pick this district, sub-district, postal code, all these details. So once you enter all these details, in the final text box, you have to copy paste the entire address from Google. I'm going to just type some random address here for demo purpose. So once you enter these details, cross-check all the details here, including postal code, and click continue. Here comes the health declaration section. This they have made it compulsory after 1st May 2025 because of the yellow fever outbreak happened in South American countries and few African countries. So they made it mandatory to fill this particular section. In case if you have visited any of these yellow fever affected countries in last 2 weeks, then it's mandatory for you to add the country name here. For example, I'm going to give Brazil. Then it will ask you to submit all vaccination related details here. Yellow fever vaccination certificate, you have to click yes. You have to select vaccination date and upload the certificate here. And in case if you have any current symptoms, you have to choose that. If it's not, you can choose no symptom and proceed to the preview button here. If you have not visited any of this yellow fever affected country, for example, you are from India, you can just type India, select India. It won't ask any other details apart from, so directly you can choose preview and go to the next step. If you are going as a family, then you have to add the other traveler details here. You have to follow the same procedure for each individual. And then you can click this preview button for the next step. This is the confirmation page. These are the details you have entered so far. Start from your personal detail to passport detail to trip information and then accommodation information. Cross check all these details. In case if you want to edit any of this detail, there is an option at the bottom of this page, edit. You can choose this option to edit the detail. If all the details are correct, you can enter your email ID here and proceed to terms and conditions. Click this tick box, agree all the terms and conditions, and then the final step is to click the submit button. It will ask for again email ID verification. Once you cross check the email ID, please press confirm. Upon successful completion, you will get this screen with all basic information, and also you would have received a PDF document in your email ID.
And that's the complete step-by-step guide to apply Thailand TDAC for Indian citizens. If this video helped you, please like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Virtual Visa for more visa information and travel tips. But don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notification on all our future videos. Thanks for watching. I'm Mohan signing off.